Today, we're diving into the IROK MG75PRO, an 81-key wired mechanical keyboard designed for gamers and typing enthusiasts who demand precision, style, and durability. This keyboard isn't just another peripheral, it's packed with cutting-edge technology like Hall effect switches, a gasket-mounted design, and a sleek CNC aluminum frame. Whether you're a competitive gamer or someone who appreciates a premium typing experience, the MG75PRO promises to deliver. Let's talk about what sets this keyboard apart. First, the Hall effect magnetic switches are a game changer. Unlike traditional mechanical switches, these use magnets to detect key presses, offering near instantaneous actuation and unparalleled durability. No physical contact means no wear and tear over time. With an 8 kHz polling rate, every keystroke is registered lightning fast, giving you a competitive edge in fast-paced games. The gasket-mounted structure adds a layer of cushioning, reducing noise and providing a softer, more comfortable typing experience. And let's not forget the stunning ARGB backlighting, customizable to match your setup, all housed in a robust CNC aluminum frame that screams premium quality. In real-world use, the MG75PRO shines. Gamers will appreciate the responsiveness and consistency of the Hall effect switches, while typists will love the smooth, tactile feedback. The gasket design dampens sound effectively, making it suitable for shared spaces. The aluminum body feels solid and luxurious, though it does add a bit of weight, something to consider if portability is a priority. The software allows for deep customization, from macro programming to lighting effects, though some users might find it slightly overwhelming at first. Of course, no product is perfect. The wired-only design might disappoint those who prefer wireless flexibility, and the premium materials come with a higher price tag compared to entry-level mechanical keyboards. Additionally, the 81-key layout sacrifices the numpad, which could be a deal-breaker for some users. Compared to similar keyboards like the Wooting 60HE or the Keychron Q1, the MG75PRO holds its own with its unique blend of features. It offers a more robust build than the Wooting and better gaming performance than the Keychron, though it's less versatile for wireless use. To get the most out of this keyboard, take the time to customize the actuation points and RGB lighting via the software. Experiment with different key press settings to find what works best for your gaming or typing style. And if you're new to Hall effect switches, give yourself a few days to adjust. The difference in feel is subtle but rewarding. Overall, the IROK MG75PRO is a fantastic choice for gamers and professionals who value speed, durability, and premium build quality. If you're willing to invest in a high-performance wired keyboard and can live without wireless options, this is a standout pick. Thanks for tuning in, and happy gaming or typing. Catch you in the next review.